Hello, today we are going to discuss about allergic bronchopulmonary aspergillosis, also known as ABPA. It is an inflammatory condition of the airway characterized by hypersensitivity of the airway due to Aspergillus species, most commonly being Aspergillus fumigatus. It can also be caused by other fungal species like Candida albicans or Helminthosporium or Alternaria, etc. In this case, it is known as allergic bronchopulmonary mycosis. It should be suspected in patients who have difficult to control bronchial asthma. That is, in patients who get admitted repeatedly due to exacerbation of bronchial asthma. According to Patterson criteria, it is divided into two types, ABPA-S and ABPA-CB. ABPA-S means seropositive and ABPA-CB means patient having central bronchiectasis on X-ray or CT scan. The criteria for diagnosis of ABPA is known as Patterson criteria, which includes minor criteria, that is Aspergillus fumigatus sputum positive in culture, history of expectorating brown plugs of flex, ARSAS, that is laked skin reaction. Major criteria include episodic bronchial obstruction, peripheral blood eosinophilia, positive immediate skin reactivity, serum precipitating antibodies, elevated serum IgE, elevated IgG and IgE anti-Aspergillus antibodies, history of pulmonary infiltrates, and central bronchiectasis on X-ray or CT scan. Clinically, ABPA is divided into 5 stages. Stage 1 is acute asthma symptoms, where IgE level is elevated with peripheral blood eosinophilia and fleeting opacities on the X-ray. Stage 2 is remission, that is resolution of symptoms along with resolution of pulmonary infiltrates and improvement in eosinophilia and Aspergillus fumigatus specific abnormalities. Stage 3 is exacerbation or recurrence, where there is worsening of clinical symptoms and recurrent pulmonary infiltrates. Stage 4 is steroid dependent asthma, where refractory steroid dependent asthma occurs because of continuous use of steroids in such patients with persistently elevated serum IgE levels and persistently elevated Aspergillus fumigatus specific blood abnormalities. Stage 5 is fibrotic lung disease, where because of repeated inflammation, fibrosis occurs. Here we can see in this CT scan cystic and varicoid bronchiectasis in both sides, predominantly in the perihilar region, also known as central bronchiectasis. An ill-defined ground glass opacity is also seen in the superior segment of left lower lobe. In this photo, hyperdense mucus plugging is seen in one of the dilated bronchus, which is marked over here. This is another patient with similar bronchiectatic changes with centrilobular nodules and consolidatory patches. This is again central bronchiectasis typical of ABPA. Treatment of ABPA is with steroids. Oral prednisolone 0.75 mg per kg for 6 weeks, followed by 0.5 mg per kg for 6 weeks, followed by tapering of oral prednisolone 5 mg per week till 5 mg dose. Role of antifungal drugs is not established in treatment of ABPA. Oral itraconazole can be used in patients refractory to treatment with steroids.